Today's the day to go to drive all the way to California to Love20Bee so we can get these bad boys refreshed. So I'll just take you on the journey of us getting there, leaving, all the above, and we'll go from there. Guys, so we're just prepping for our little road trip here. So I'm working on just making sure everything's good, doing a check over for the tire pressure all over the place. I got all my things that I need, the important items, and then we'll just, if I need to fill anything with air, fill it up. Otherwise, check everything off the list, and then let's get on the road. A little ways to go. That's what we want. So we finally got our custom carpet in. It's just normal carpet, but got our carpet in. So finally we can throw, or not throw, but since we don't obviously have the car yet, but we can at least see just kind of what we're working with, what we're looking like, what we're dealing with overall. But I'm not gonna pull the whole thing out because I don't really want to. I'm just gonna keep it all together for now. But it should be exactly what we're looking for. And then in a couple of weeks, we will have the car back, hopefully, and we can throw it back in there. But I'm mostly curious just to see how much it weighs. So got the handy dandy scale out, and it gives me a pretty accurate representation of my weight of 183, 184, somewhere around there. So let's see what this is looking like now. Leave it on there for about 3-4 seconds and then pull it off. .8. So it's not bad, all things considered. If that's what I'm putting back in weight-wise, I'm fine with that. Turbo will offset that one, will be good. So can't wait to get the car back so we can throw it all in there. All right. So we're gonna place this, put this new one on there. Shouldn't take but a few minutes. I played myself. Let's see how far we can get. Because this one's gotta go. All right, so I have my new door card with a knot beat up, just needs to be a little cleaned. Looks like it's fine. Some of these pieces will transfer over no problem, just like this and whatnot. But the reason I'm doing that is because I think I said it in one of my previous videos, but this one is completely destroyed. So yeah, just need to take this off, kind of figure out what I want to do, how I take it off, what's the best way. But I'll be using the back of this as a mount, or as a reference guide to fully determine where certain connections are, what needs to be unplugged, how to access what, and go from there. Hopefully nothing's broken on this as I go through the process, but yeah, we'll find out together. So, in order to take this off, we're just going to put the window all the way down. Get that out of the way. And then we're going to go ahead and take this off. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in a hands-free kind of mode. Stand by. Right, so we're going to try and take, so hopefully you guys can see everything I'm trying to accomplish here. Oh, that is annoying. Okay, we're going to pull this off real quick. Should just pry off a little bit. There we go, broke a clip. Nice, nice. We have replacement ones, so we're all right. We got this one out. We'll break that one off real quick. And then we'll keep going. Needle nose usually work pretty well for these. And I actually can see one on the ground right now that we can reuse. Oh, I lied. It's okay. We still have more. Where did I leave you? Ta-da. For once, I know exactly where to look. Cool. Like it never happened. Okay. Let me get my tools. So, got a Phillips, or sorry, wow, we got a flathead, we got a Phillips, different sizes, and then little plastic pieces to wedge things out. That way we're not scratching everything up as badly as I'm hoping we're not. So, try and use something. Let's pry this part out if we can. Clip down. Still going strong. So we can disconnect these. On the back of this clip, just push down in there, a little twist, that should come up. Oh, didn't push it enough. There we go. Definitely don't want to break those, so. Cool. Got that out. On to the next piece. Go ahead and get this. I stay breaking stuff. Go. Cool. We got our two Phillips here. So we'll go ahead and knock those out. comparison between the two. Yeah. Right. I believe watching some videos and online stuff, there should be able to pry this out. Not breaking it. Nice, nice. So this is the piece that went. All right, so now that we've taken off one, let's see. Now that we've taken off 1, 2, sorry, those are not the holes. 1, 2, and then 3, we should be set to go ahead and get underneath. All right, so looking underneath, I think it's just this open slot area. Any of these, there's like a little groove. Let me see if I have my phone. Still need a shop light one of these days. So these little grooves right here. Let's see if you can see it now. There's little indents that are underneath. There we go. That's a better visual. So you'll basically, that's all the way through and through. So you can kind of get underneath it and pull out. So we'll do that real quick and then keep going. That way we can pull out the panel all the way around and we should be set to actually lift it off and go from there. So let me get under here and knock this out. Understood this correctly, this just should come out once you take that bolt off. Cool. So push it out, or pull it out. Try not to bend the wires. Just try and put it at an angle that will allow you to slide it back in to the car. There you go. Kind of got to push it a little bit. Cool. So, ta-da! Whole door panel off. The reason I don't care is because the burn mark, well, not even the burn mark, the rip that's right here, that is tragic. So maybe I'll try and like repair that just to practice like repairing leather. That'd be kind of cool. Never done that before, so that'd be cool to practice on since I have a practice piece. So we'll try that out. So for now, I'll just put this out of the way and then we can put on the new boy. Okay, nice. All right, now we can go ahead and continue after that debacle of taking that thing out. Man, pain in the arse that was. So we got all the bolts in. No, the bolts, the original screws in. I need to get the tweeter out of the way again. Cool. Just make sure all your wires are where they need to be before you close everything down. There we go. Nice. All right, cool. So we got that on. Now we can do everything in reverse order. So, all right, so we finally got the door panel on. Everything looks good. No longer ripped, you know. Get a little more light. I could definitely paint this up a little bit, but I'll leave it for now. I'm not too worried about it. It was just a quick fix to get this, mainly this door portion of it fixed up. But yeah, we'll just clean it up a little bit, get some wipe downs, and we should be set. So now this car is back in order too, and we're doing well. Drove to California, if you remember, a few episodes back, probably like 10, Jesus, it's been that long. Both side skirts have fallen off, and right now they're holding up. Haven't come off, no issues. You can't see anything on this side either, but yeah, everything's been solid with the JV weld stuff, so no complaints there either. But yeah, that'll end this video for today. So stick around for the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, come back for some more. Hopefully the car will be painted in a couple weeks, and then we should be set to slap all this stuff together and go from there. Peace.